Are slow-loading product images costing you customers? Slow performance and missing SEO alt text can seriously hurt both rankings and conversions, especially when you're dealing with hundreds of product photos. GP JSON-LD Schema automatically generates optimized alt text and ensures your images load instantly and get properly indexed by Google. Let's dive into how this powerful GrowPulse Shopify app can quickly optimize your store's visuals for better speed, stronger SEO, and higher conversions. Start by heading to the Image Optimization section in your dashboard. The app will show you which images need alt text, title updates, or compression. If you want to compress images for quicker loading times, adjust your compression preferences in the settings. If you need to resize the image, you can do so. You can also use the AI to regenerate or refine alt text with the bulk editor for faster updates. That's it. With just a few clicks, your store's images will be optimized for faster loading, better SEO, and improved accessibility. Try GrowPulse Image Optimization today and watch your Shopify site shine. To grow your business with more great videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to GrowPulse on YouTube.